it's the end of our Airbnb time.
Yay!
We're off to...
Where are we off to?
We're off to...
Breakfast.
Breakfast!
Okay, guess where we are.
Guess where we are?
We're back at the shopping mall again to get some breakfast because guess what's in Edisto? Nothing with this shopping mall. Well, at least that we know of.
Maryland?
So, time to get some breakfast. So, if you ever come to Edisto and you ever come to this, the jungle place,
114?
this right here.
It's called one for coffee.
Cookies and cream frap.
It's a cookies and cream frap. It's delicious. It's breakfast time. Great time. Oh, Jesus, thank you for the food. Amen. Woo! So, listen, got a sausage. Wait, no, a bacon, egg, and cheese biscuit. Mom got some hash browns and an egg that she doesn't want. I got a Cuban and a biscuit and a hash brown. And Danny got a hash brown and she's getting a biscuit on the way with some egg and cheese and bacon.
Yep, bacon, egg, and cheese croissant.
She's getting a croissant. Roll the clip.
Are you going to finish that croissant?
It's a poison. It's called ignorance is bliss. And you can eat something, but it only kicks in and starts killing you when you realize you've been poisoned. So if you never know, then you'll never die. But it's like once you know, your adrenaline kicks in, and then the poison will be like, all right, now it's time to kill her. You know what I'm saying? And that way, if you could just remain calm in the fact that you've been poisoned, you won't die.
Okay, so
Wow. So pretty much it's like Osmosis Jones. Once they become aware, the little organisms in your body, once they become aware that you're aware of that it's been poisoned, then it's like, oh snap, I gotta do my job and kill her. We're heading out. I got myself one of these as well, because the last one was actually Danny's. We're about to go head over to a beach and find some shells, even though it's like 60 degrees out. I'm getting the Cuban,
Get your Cuban!
We're on our way to Botany Bay.
Roll the clip.
Botany Bay?
Botany Bay?
Botany Bay?
Is that a clip?
It is. Roll the clip.
Botany Bay. Botany Bay. Oh no. We got to get out of here now.
We had to take a detour because the road is flooding. I didn't show you on that side over there.
Look.
It's coming from the beach. It is.
It's coming from the beach.
that is so cool.
Yeah, trees. Yeah, road.
He is trying to get over to the beach way out in the distance yonder, which you definitely can't see.
No.
But we don't think it's possible. But Jeremiah will find a way.
Yeah, those are big, huge waves you can't really see back there. Hopefully we can get there.
Nice outside.
Wow, how nice of them.
It didn't work out too hot because there's a road, and I'll show you the road right now. Let's back up and see the road.
But it says don't.
This is the entrance to where we would have gone to go to the beach, but it is underwater at the moment, so that freaking sucks.
Nasty old disgusting little crap. Look at that.
Mom's over here saying, "Oh, I need to find a bathroom. We need to find a bathroom." Cool, just find one. Don't tell me about it.
Hey everyone, we're getting a golf cart now.
Yeah.
Yeah, we just actually got to the door and it's closed, but for video and picture purposes, we're just gonna sneak on one. Okay, deep everybody. Deep room, yay!
Starbucks. I just want a Starbucks.
Look at the water, everybody, and there's dolphins over there. I don't know if you can see.
What are we doing?
No, you're gonna get down here, Elizabeth. You're gonna squat and your face is gonna be through there.
2, 1.
Taking a Polaroid with my corduroy. Found a tree. Says, well, that was a close call, Elizabeth.
Hey. So, we're on our way to some little peninsula over there. Hashtag COVID. Just kidding. And it's gonna be awesome because I'm gonna fly this here drone, and Mom's gonna get a chance to rest because her back hurts.
Found a horseshoe crab shrine. That's a huge one.
Big old boy.
Here's another one. And a little Christmas tree.
Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree.
Our GoPro.
Are you filming right now?
Say bye to the GoPro.
Hey, that's our drone, buddy.
Bye, GoPro. I mean, bye, drone.
Dang accident. It's okay. We're listening to Jack and Diane by the Beatles or something.
Oh, Bob Seger. John Mellencamp.
Got it wrong. We are almost to Savannah, Georgia. Not sure if we told you that that's where we're going on the way home, but that's where we're going. Welcome to Savannah. We are at the park where Forrest Gump was filmed. So that's where we're gonna hang out for a little while. You tired there, buddy?
Drone is going up. Look at this really pretty park we're in. So pretty.
Over here by this amazing looking, I don't know what to call it. Fountain, I guess, sure. I guess that's the name. And we're just taking a walk through this amazing park. Yeah. Elizabeth went to get coffee.
Here at the fountain. Hello. We got a lot of people here.
No, they were dancing. Okay, forget it. They were just dancing. Where are you going? Excuse me. Where are you going, huh?
Where the heck I want to go, huh?
And she's gonna jump off. I knew it. She can't go over no bumps.
I'm
Look at that. That thing's like an inch tall. No bumps.
I just waved to the girl.
Hello. There's people up there.
Yay. Longest church.
Look at El Camino.
It's like a castle almost.
Alright, which way?
Oh, look at this building, everybody. Wow. I love this one. Pink Hummer. Kansas.
Sorry, good.
We're in the parking garage, boys, and we're getting pizza.
Heck yeah. Give me some of that pizza. Give me some of that pizza. Pizza.
Oh, look at this delicious.
Yeah.
How cute this is, sorry. We're going to your pie to build our own pie.
Hey, what are you getting?
A great white pizza, great white shark pizza.
Ooh, you?
Same thing?
Okay, I'm gonna build my own.
We didn't want to mess up the pizza and actually put the wrong drizzle on the wrong pizza, so I brought a little thing of barbecue for you to do your own.
Thank you. Ooh, Elizabeth. Mom, where's your little pizza?
Mine's in the back. Mine's in the back. I'm special.
There's a vegan pizza right there, boys.
I can't. It's too hot. Wait, guys.
Straight up Dunzos. What?
Dunzos.
You gotta eat your pizza.
So good, but so filling.
I know, dude.
We are here at the Fox and Figs, and I am so excited because they have gluten-free milkshakes, dairy-free milkshakes. Yay!
Let's go. My favorite thing to do is to share food.
Oh yeah, me too.
Prior to COVID-19, I really like the community aspect of it, and also that I get to expand my taste buds.
That's how cute we are right there.
Let's see how it came out. I have a peanut butter and what's in here?
White chocolate. See the
White chocolate.
Peanut butter.
Oh yeah.
my
Milkshake,
goodness,
me
that
friendly.
looks- Try it, let me know how it
Oh,
What's you friendly? What does that mean?
oh my God. Taste it.
Oh my gosh.
It's so good.
This is
Good.
Wow, it tastes like a
You'll love it,
Reese's peanut butter.
This is here. I'll try it.
Wow, that's fantastic.
Isn't it good?
First of all, it's delicious.
It's vegan. It's gluten-free. It's soy-free.
Ooh. We're back again. Thanks for tuning in. We have a cheesecake, an almond joy cheesecake kind of pop here. And again, it's vegan.
Vegan and gluten-free. Yeah.
Here we go. Take a bite.
Heck
Try
yeah.
it.
Oh God,
Right?
I can't taste it. I didn't try it.
Solid.
We have to wait till it melts a little.
It's really hard.
Does the outside taste good?
It tastes delicious.
Okay, I'm gonna try it.
Do it, dude.
Oh gosh.
Delicious.
Delicious.
Yum yum.
Yum yum. It's so good.
Got me an Americano coffee. And we're getting back in the car. We're all on the way home now, so we'll catch up with you guys when we get there. Bye. It's a horsey boy.
And they're waiting for us.
Bye, horsey.
Ready? You guys here right now, ready? 2, 3, 4. Hey. She said, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my bed and my mama. I'm sorry. No, I don't. Like they gotta turn it on me. Oh, wow. You got it. Party. And you know me. Turn the old two into the old three. Oh, God, I wish we could get this on film. Yeah, I can't do this on my own. Hey. Someone watching it. Close. Hey.
All right, everybody, it's the end. We finally made it back home, and everything is awesome. Say goodbye.
Bye. We have to say goodbye to someone very special. Goodbye,
Little Joe from Kokomo!
I'd rather die. No, I'm just kidding. Thank you guys so much for watching, and catch us in the next cinematic travel vlog.